Welcome to the Today in History channel. In today's video we will talk about the day, January 13, 1750, Madrid Treaty signed. The division of the colonies of South America that belonged to Spain and Portugal gave rise to disagreements, which ended in disputes and battles during much of the colonial era. The Treaty of Tordesillas, which established the official borders between the two kingdoms, was never completely respected, being replaced by the Treaty of Madrid, signed in the Spanish capital on January 13, 1750. The treaty would determine the limits of sovereignty between the two territories of colonial America and put a decisive end to Spanish-Portuguese disputes. The Treaty of Madrid was carefully prepared from the maps of the courts and favored the Portuguese colonies, to the detriment of the Spanish rights defined in the Treaty of Tordesillas. In the year 1494, Portuguese diplomats were much more experienced and based their rights on the Roman principle do uti possidetis, ita possideatis, as you have, so you have, to define how the territorial division would be constituted. For this principle, the land should be occupied by those who were already established on it. In this way, the Portuguese appropriated part of the large territory currently occupied by Brazil that they did not yet have legally. Under this treaty, Portugal was obliged to cede the Colonia do Sacramento and the Prata estuary, receiving in compensation the current states of Santa Catarina and Rio Grande do Sul, large areas in the upper region of Paraguay, and some stretches of abandoned land. The Madrid Treaty would modify the structures of Brazil. The Brazilian capital would be transferred from Salvador, Bahia, to Rio de Janeiro. Possession of the Amazon would be assigned to the colony of Brazil, and the Uruguay River would, from then on, be the border between Brazil and Argentina. This treaty was of extreme importance to the Portuguese, since it legally defined and expanded the colonial territories of Portugal in America, which would later be inherited by the Republic of Brazil. If you liked the video, of course subscribing to the channel, like, comment and share. To receive new videos. See you next time.